Here we are, Finance Fundamentals 7, talking about simple interest. You're definitely going to want a calculator for this, so if you don't have one, use your cell phone, or you could use the calculator on your Chromebook. So, simple interest is kind of basic interest, and there's a formula that comes with it. The formula is going to be given to you in the problem. So now we just have to figure out, well, what part goes in which part of the formula. So Brooke has $100 in a savings account. So $100 in a savings account. Interest rate is 5% per year. Not compounded. Compounded is more complicated. So this is simple interest. This is totally fine. How much interest will she earn in 1 year? Use the formula I, where equals PRT. I is interest earned. Okay, I is interest earned. Keyword, interest earned. P is the principal, starting amount. And R is the interest rate, expressed as a decimal. T is time in years. Okay, if we look up here, your starting amount is 100. There's our P. Your rate is 5%. And your T is your time. That's 1 year. We're going to throw that into our formula. So interest earned equals principal, 100, rate, 5%. Remember to turn 5% into a decimal. You move the decimal 2 places to the left. Boom. 0.05 times the time, 1 year. And this is how much interest our friend Brooke will earn in 1 year. 100 times 0.05 times 1, $5. 5 big ones. Boom. So $5 in a year. Now, key deal. Again, the question asks us how much interest will she earn in a year. That's your I. The next problem is a little bit different. There's one more step. So our friend Irma has $60 in a savings account. Okay. That's our principal. That's what we start with. The interest rate is 5%. There's our rate. And our rate would be 0.05 if we move the decimal 2 places to the left. And our T time is 1 year. And the problem gives you the interest formula again. So we throw those values into the interest formula. I equals PRT. P is 60. R is 0.05. T is 1 again. And we're going to times those on our calculator. And we've got 3 big ones this time. Woohoo, $3. But wait, do we write that in? No. The question is, how much will she have in a year? Well, she doesn't have $3 in a year. She gains $3. She started with 60. So to find out how much she has, we take our starting amount, 60, and plus the interest. We now have $63 in our account. Boom. There we go. Okay. So these problems have one extra step. You just got to make sure you read your question. Are you looking at how much she has or how much interest she earns? That's the difference in the question. Last one. Gavin has $4,000 in savings that earns 5% a year. Interest not compounded. How much will he have in 3 years? How much will he have? Okay, so keyword, how much will he have? This is going to be interest plus starting amount. Here's our formula. Principal is our starting amount. Rate is our interest rate. And time is T. So now we can substitute those values in. Principal, 4,000. Rate, 0.05. Because we move our decimal 2 places to the left. And time is 3 years. So this time we're leaving our money in the bank for longer. We got a big amount, same interest rate. So we should be making a bit of money here. $4,000 times 0.05 times 3 years. And we make $600. Boom. Is that our answer? we want to find out how much Gavin has at the end of 4 years. He gains 600, but he still has his initial amount. So 4,000 plus the interest gained, $4,600. Bop. There you go. All right. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope that's helpful. Try those IXL problems, and again, let me know if you have questions. Have a good day.